We started our second day with more focus on bird watching. Marayoor offers good birding in the habitat. I was informed that wildlife enthusiasts visit Marayoor to have glimpse of grizzled squirrel, Malabar giant squirrel and star turtle. Each species are gifted with some unique and astonishing behavior. These unique behaviors are gifted for their survival. Humans can continue to learn and adopt some of these gifted behaviors. As we kept exploring, we came across different bird species. Our naturalist Prince Roger Durai was quick to spot and share good information about them. We also spent quality time on elephants and gaur while exploring the birds and butterflies. Each stop during the trek taught us with some useful information. We closely followed the instructions given by our experienced naturalist and guide in the habitat. We remained silent and respected the habitat as we continued to explore and learn. If you closely observe this butterfly, you will be astonished. This butterfly sucks water from soil to extract the minerals. The water is then pushed out after extracting the required minerals. At the end of each trek, we reviewed and discussed about the habitat. This helped us to plan better adventurous trip to Marayoor.